Stop talking! You're complicit in a genocide! You're complicit in a genocide! Eddie, there's a genocide! Eddie, there's a genocide! Come on, Eddie! There's a genocide! You're complicit in genocide of the Palestinian people! You are complicit! Come on, Eddie! Eddie, help us! Eddie, help us save them! Come on, Eddie! The Israeli terrorists are committing a genocide, and the U.S. Congress and Senate are complicit in funding the bombs that are forcing children to be slaughtered and massacred. Shame on this government! The United States of America is complicit in genocide! The Israeli terrorists are forced starving children! Stop. The Israeli terrorists are forced starving children! They are massacring children!
If they'll arrest veterans, they'll arrest you!
Stop the bombs! Stop the bombs! Stop the bombs! Stop the bombs!
Thanks for coming.
Stop the bombs!
She was filming as well. Officer,
Stop the bombs!
as well.
Shame on you! You're complicit! This is your legacy! This is your legacy!
Okay, you have to leave.
Hey!
You're not allowed to film in the room. That's
You have to leave.
civil liberty. You're just like completely. This is absurd. You're going to touch a veteran like that. How are you outside?
Why are they arresting you? Why are they arresting you? Why are they arresting you?
They're arresting us for speaking out against genocide.
Stop the bombs!
The U.S.
Stop the
Congress
bombs!
is paying for the death of
Stop
children,
slaughtering babies!
women and children.
Stop slaughtering babies! I can't. Stop fighting. We are being arrested right now for interrupting a foreign affairs hearing on nominations because the U.S. is complicit in genocide. They are complicit in the slaughter of babies.
When the United States Congress comes after veterans, they will come after you. Every American sitting at home right now needs to realize that you are paying for a genocide. Take this one.
Rise up! Rise up, America! Rise up! It is time to take back this country from these corrupt politicians. It is time. It is beyond time.
We're going out to the loading dock.
Thank you for your service.
Everyone not doing everything they can, every moment of every day to stop harming Israel, to stop starving children, to stop starving civilians. If you ever wonder for one moment what you would have done during the Holocaust, you don't have to wonder because you are doing it now. You are